So today I'm going to share with you an amazing drink that I have every single day without fail. It's been a part of my diet for the past year, and I have seen so many benefits of it. It's unbelievable that one small 150 ml glass of juice can make so many changes to your body. I am talking no other than the famous apple-beet-carrotjuice. Initially, I started having it because I used to be hungover. I used to party a lot. So in the morning, my mom used to give me this juice to get rid of the hangovers that I had when I went out with my friends on weekends and stuff like that. But it just became such a major part of my routine, and I've been having it so often. Almost, I think, 6 days a week, unless I'm lazy to get up and make it. Some days I won't have it then. But this juice is just miraculous. My skin has changed in the past year so much. It's like beautiful, soft, supple. I've been getting a lot of compliments. I've also read up a lot on the benefits of beetroot and apple and carrot put together in a juice being a liver cleanser. I add some lemon to this, which helps with the vitamin C component. It heals the liver. The liver basically affects the skin a lot. So if your liver is healthy, your skin reflects it. Hence, keeping your liver clean, and the process of detoxification takes place from your liver. So if your liver is clean, then half your problem is solved. Okay, so now there are a lot of benefits of this juice. It's filled with vitamins, minerals, detoxification agents. Now it's a long list. I had memorized all of it, but I've forgotten. So I'm going to have to put it in a slide after I finish speaking, so you can have a look at it and then make this juice at home. Now make sure that you guys, when you get the vegetables, you wash them thoroughly. I suggest washing them in a baking soda solution. Like when you buy a big bunch, just wash it and keep it in the fridge, because you don't want to be eating pesticides. And have it in the morning. So what I do is I'll usually get up in the morning, I'll have 1 cup of black coffee, then I'll go to the loo and all that, and then before eating my meal, like 10 minutes before that, I just have this particular juice, and instantly I have to go to the bathroom, I have to pee, because it's helping in like removing all the toxins from my system, and then I eat of sorts, so, and amazing with a hangover too. So please go ahead and give this a shot. You will not regret it. Your skin is going to see so much change. That's why I call it more of a skin tonic, because the way my skin has changed is unbelievable. I recommended this to 2 of my friends. They've been doing it regularly, and their skin is just shining. It's beautiful. Like, their acne issues have reduced to almost 80%. Okay, there's no itchiness, flakiness, red spots, dark spots, like this. Just overall everything just keeps glowing and looking amazing. So please go ahead, try this out, and again, I'm going to request you guys to like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. Let me know how you feel. I'm sharing everything with you. These are things I actually do, They're not like something I'm looking up and then I'm just like randomly making a video and putting up. I've tried all these things, and I really want to share them with you so that you can benefit a lot from what I have been doing and have experienced so far. So please like, share, subscribe, and let's get started.
Okay guys, so for this recipe you will require half a lime, half a apple, some carrot, some lemon, and some mint leaves. Wash them very thoroughly because you don't want the pesticides going into your juice. And I am now passing them through my cold press juicer. If you don't have a cold press juicer, it's totally okay. Please feel free to use a regular one. I did not have one for a long time. This juicer is actually new, and I used to put it in the regular Bajaj one before this one. And it should give you like a really nice concentrated sort of a vegetable juice. The product quantity is not going to be more than, I think, 150 ml, but it's so concentrated that you're just going to have it like a shot in the morning, as soon as you wake up, like the first thing, and some water. And the taste is really good too. The apple really adds to the flavor. So the juice, I've passed everything through now. I just went through the pulp again to make sure everything's come out. So my juice is now ready. I'm going to pour it into my glass and squeeze my lime into it. Lime is also very detoxifying and it has got a lot of vitamin C. So I'm squeezing it into it and my juice is now ready to consume.
Okay, so this was the recipe. I hope you try this at home. Please try it without fail. You will not regret it. Do it, and again, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting something new again in a few days. Bye.